JP Diecast and Toys interview Australian V8 supercar legend Craig Lowndes. Thank you for doing the interview, Craig. So what brings you to Taormina?
Tyre Power. I think that we've had a multi-year. I'm trying to think now, 4 or 5 years with Tyre Power, and it's great to obviously to come. We drive down to Bathurst every year, and it coincides to obviously call in here. It's the store's 20th anniversary, so it's great to be in here.
And just going to the Supercar Championship now. So currently you're in third place and you're 157 points behind. So how confident are you in trying to claw back the points? It's not too much of a difference. So.
No, it's not. I think that every round we get 300 points, so we've got to make sure that we maximise that. Obviously, Shane and Jamie are going along really nicely. We've got Bathurst coming up soon, and then, of course, Gold Coast, which two very important meetings to make sure we maximise the points. From there on in, it's only a couple of meetings to the run home, so New Zealand and of course, Homebush. So we believe we're in a good shot. We'll just see us sort of keep plugging away and see what happens.
And the big one, Bathurst. So how confident are you and the car to get on the top step of the podium?
Yeah, pretty confident. I think that we had good speed at Sandown, although we just didn't quite sort of maximise the finishing results. But both Steve and I made some little errors along the way. But we're very confident going to Bathurst that we can put on a good show.
And just to ask about V8 Diecast Toys, what do you think of them?
Oh, they're great. I think there's no doubt that there's obviously a lot of people that have them and display them, which is great. It sort of obviously showcase what cars were and what are, and for us, it's a great way to sort of showcase the sponsorship and everything else that go on it.
And do you personally own any diecast toys?
Yeah, I've got a few at home. I think for me, a couple of the good ones is the 06, 96. A lot of the big ones, big memorabilia ones, but also bring back good memory for me for what obviously the results were.
And do you know any other V8 drivers that collect diecast? They're keen enthusiasts?
Yeah, most of them do. I think there's no doubt that if you win a championship or a Bathurst, that a lot of the guys get that year diecast, and it's again just gives back great memories of the results that you achieve throughout your career.
And just quickly, do you want to say anything to your fans?
No, just say thank you very much. It's been obviously a great career, and still punching away. We've got a couple more years under contract, and like to do a few more. So, but look, thanks for the support, and hope you see you at a racetrack soon.
Craig, thank you for your time.
No worries. Thank you.
Thank you.